Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we will show you how to clean nasty carpet inside your car. If it's bad, if you spilled something, if you have grease spots, if it hasn't been clean in a long time, we'll show you guys how to make it like new again. Stay with us, we'll show you what we use, what you need to do to make that thing look new. Check this thing out, guys. Okay, that's a 2006 Jetta TDI. It hasn't been clean in a long time. Mechanic drove it before we got the out of it, and look at that, that's grease. Just black, nasty grease and diesel, because they had parts all over the car. We have an amazing video how to clean seats as well. Feel free to check it out on our channel. So what we need to do first, guys, you need to make sure you vacuum everything good. Make sure that there is nothing but the dirty spots left. Okay, vacuum everything you could. And after that, let me just get the chemicals to show you what we use. Alright guys, that's the shampoo that we use. We use Chemical Guys shampoo, fabric clean. You can buy that in a small package if you need it. This one is amazing. You just dilute some in water, preferably hot water. Hot water works really good and it doesn't discover the carpet. We'll recommend drying under the seats first, but in the detail shop we detail so many vehicles we never had a problem. That's the stain extractor that we use. That one is super concentrated, so you need to dilute some. It has all the information on the side how to use it. We dilute some in a spray bottle, and we're just going to spray on the spots now to treat them for some time before we start cleaning. Okay, just like that. And we will try to do it without only using like a shop vac, so you don't have to buy special shampoos or something like that. Almost everybody has a shop vac, and you need a brush, those two chemicals, a bucket, and you're ready to go. So we get the brush, we dip in the bucket with the shampoo, and you're going to brush it really good, guys. And it might not come out the first time, but that will solve the spots. Don't get it way too wet. I mean, using the shop vac will be able to dry it pretty good, and you need to leave it in the sun after we are done with open doors for a couple hours, and everything will be dry. But you can see that spot is almost completely out of there. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and keep doing that to the rest of them. Okay, you can see everything disappears. Okay, so we'll get them wet, and we will let them stay for about 2-3 minutes, so the shampoo can activate and start eating those nasty stains and that grease. And after that we will use the shop vac. Stay with us, guys, to see what results we will receive today. Okay guys, so we've been doing it for about 2 minutes, 3 minutes now, just brushing really good. And we will take a small brush. The small brush is really good at corners, okay, edges. If you get a tree somewhere and you cannot get through it, it's super convenient if you have a little brush. We actually even used a toothbrush in the past as well, and it does work too. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and use the shop vac to vacuum it. Okay, just a regular shop vac. You need to make sure that you get the filter out so you can suck water with it, and turn it on, and we need to just dry the carpet with it. Okay guys, and then you can get a dry towel and just go ahead and you can dry it a little bit more that way. Okay, and you can see how much better that thing looks compared to what it was, and that's only one time. if you do it twice, it will actually work even better. Okay, right there. So let us know, guys, what you think about it. Hopefully the video will be helpful, and you can use it and you can clean your carpet really good, and you don't need any special big tools like $1,000 shampoo to do that. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.